good morning, and now my life in Temo. Ain't no be a quadruma, yeah. Obeying them better, yeah. Me koda and there was a message be by me 3 months and of my yard. But already can't buy Yanko Ponchra. Also, I better so I be Yanko Ponchra. GH Pokini, me whom say no man yaji. Me filimo, go me filimo pa because my dad room. GH Poki na my dad room. Anytime I come online, Charlie, if I see the numbers, then I know say these are the people who are watching me. God bless you, people, my friend. God bless. But I maybe say, I am music be and Betty Chama Muntini. Always no. I just want to come online now. Muhunu say whatever you are doing for me, no, I'm much grateful to it. I'm much grateful to it. But the way I just watched Teacher Kwaju's video and I posted it on my YouTube channel and I saw them and posted to Facebook was saying. And what I will tell you is, we be near me cancer match. We be near me cancer match. And then I've been saying this several times. Me can't wait there be a Ubeka say be a with the winning. I know what I'm saying. And he said, oh, Tenasi, I said, what I'm saying in year, wow. People are saying, well, about no more freeze the country, I'm a becan, once I'm kakra. And the German me the comedy in the way I'm a year, me far different angle na a Jamaican. Many people who didn't understand me, many people, blacks, many people are say, oh, come on, I've been here, no mind, say politics, but no one was born holding the politics flag. And even in politics, many people are joining party A, party B because of me parents, and not because of say like one say politics no, even if time it politics, and there is no way say your party A, your party A. Then it is not politics that we are doing. One say Africa especially Ghana, Ghana, say Makacha say Momo heaven na mo dwene ho no you yenka ho ye na nanamu kansen bi kire eze obroni firi ni kurom besesa ya gudie di ko ni kurom ekoyi ni kuru yie obroni yankopon ama magudie ma mode tia bibi mamu ase ina mode tonte mode gold na tonte that time no bia ni sa adwene no ba kwasi broni hu sa adwene no sa nyansa no e de besesa obri sa gudie die bibi ma na ye nye bo keke ba ye bibi mamu ye tena ase ma brofo besesa ya gudie nyina de koye mantibi like remember say who but me beti we learn it in class say na mo etna say ma brofo beji o mo de ahwehwe man ya okwadwane behwe anim behwe na ohene dasani abetna say no ahwe na nim ahwehwe mu wo ma hemfo nketwa no mo mehwe me no mo fedem because ni hu ahwehwe da bebe eni onya dia ahwehwe ne man na obusa dofo ni na gidi one for good in Nimra, no may have any pea, near van any 1 5 when it's yen and anama diom yeno, and can was say in the accepted fight. We called it modern world. Things are changing. Yehunia may bring, yes, still, yes, habit of fight, Jimmy, Jimmy, chain and animal dear. I don't know, say reincarnation now, what can now, I don't know, say reincarnation or Macam up. Just say, we can say, and sabit of fright, they are gone, we didn't see them. But what we saw, they say, yet almost my bro, just mirror, Ebeji, a goodie. Yes, still, Yanko Pon, any yam, say, having moon too much, you are not among. That is the main reason Yanko Pon Casachere, a shuan for 1 year be that's the main reason Yanko Pon, a Casachere disciples, no more church, anything. John Mark Inan. Once a beginning. Once a Bible verse na question Tony be like or should be all. Now, me won't say be near than to me, while my dinner man be beginning. You see, teacher could do ya dealing or ya dealing. He is a comedian. He can choose not to talk about education, but some of our people, our motors here, they call themselves supporters. They are supporting us. They say, and now the platform, and now the platform, I don't have a platform, no, and can't face the country, and now we advance education, and now fan can say, I came to talk about face the country. I'm not food, madam, one might be coming, mammy. I decided not to talk about it again because I'm a comedian. People told me, JH Book, you are a comedian. Mweninko a minimum, Okoshu a minimum, why would you? You are a comedian, found what politics, and found what Jimu, and I found when I'm see you, Marty. Then I'm doing my comedy. People are still talking, and I do Jimmy do, and I would Jimmy to Jimmy now, a Casafat Charlie. You see how Bibini is. This is the main reason I'm a choice of having young come to my minimum. If you die from here, you are gone. We are going 1,000. Yame do wo bibi ni osunsun yede wo ye okra ne krampa wo tela sisu mpo na wo nyansa wo trimpo no wo etemanya bi na osunsun ma ntimi nyadwuma manyame nyame oni abrofo na yadwuma nyame na abrofo na yadwuma because obroni ye wiki di kurase de mpo na obroni ye ni kurom yie. I read someone's comment. Was it from 1957 e be sin there ye guso e build schools. From 1957, you go so build this schools in this schools in here. Yes, this schools in here. Ghana. I mean, what I say, me grammar school here then. Ghana, I think what I didn't go school. You go school cry then. You Ghana. You see, you bought them free fee. If you want to develop the education, you start free fee. Because akola say adiba the best akola trimbiano eni nyi eka ho it's akola nya good foundation from education ss nye jimi se no be ko jime yi omoto abebu social media but say ade onya nimde onya good education and onya ntete papa every the child like event akola say dem we akola won kan bi say let me say make sense me refi but nya say na esu free me I am a comedian but me nyimi yo. I was just born to make people laugh, to entertain people. We have people who have traveled abroad. We have people who want to come home and do something. We have people if you better see a near muscle, I'm myself that fight a habo no, you better matter near muscle, Ghana for to me the near my bar. And Quebec wine before. And Kayan get a beb wine, but to be near me say, Bibi and will be young. If a black man gets something to chop, to eat, on drinking me, I'm not here, me no, service, I'm party, someone tell me, cook with new media, where media meant to. Men to correct, I say, I may come away, me, I'm mensa. And I mean, who say, Ghana said, you are true about my presidency, be the one vote to pay, and it will be meant to. Because we vote and we see nothing. Intimento. I can't say man to intimint. Sometimes, before even your brother is suffering. Who maybe suffer, but because of party, I'm going to unfollow you. The last time I did some video, people were saying, I'm going to unfollow you. You are going to unfollow me for telling you the truth. And you're bad. Na Jesus Christ Boka and Grandpa Judas Cotoni dear. Na Jesus Boki, who is soon crack my baby. Teacher Kodo is telling you the truth. Because every company a man penny no. Say baby on nana me can teach a man penny one chat dear. Your man penny one chat dear. Need any different event. It's your own crofua. Almost tarina who I was almost a bit who. That's why we have God, we have we have the angels. Angels, number of which angels near one more small, the messengers and the fighters. That's what human being we are. That's why we have the president and we have the incorabata. That's the ministers that's why we have them. We have the MPs, we have the assemblymen. Assemblyman for the Vietnam now, I'm gonna accept that for and for so assemblyman. That's why we have those people. And to what assemblyman are going to say the important was these are not going well. School we inquire. You tell the MP will go to parliament and the parliament will then the president that thing. Now when we are now moving to the French, I say, Munya ni pebia. Because no matter what you do on this earth, you will die. But I am moving some money. And when you pay be one was to be only one a bassa. You were a bassa. But the other name say you are using people for scapegoat, you know, that like, the person is gone. But we way bassa. Yeah, sometimes just imagine say we didn't pay back on brompa. I said, come, I say return about so. Person that would do money now, bro. Teacher could you ask a question, and no one, I know to me yano. No one, not to me yano. You are building the schools. Mona must say Ghana school ye. Mona must say Ghana BBI, but Mama Kobi. Mama and Kobi. Now I be mama quite so if you speak the truth, if you speak the truth, your life is in danger. Whatever you do on this set, I no problem, any free. But I be mama pani dimut into mine. Obibini on. Obibini. Maka kire mo. Unya osika papa bi adibi. Oye adwuma na so unya sika adibi. But ye papa do bi a wo man temo. Because heaven on kan nti manipa on kan ho. Bibini nka heaven ho. Because yetimi mfa yetimi mo nyame. Yetimi mo papa no wanyini nyankopon wanyini. If you so bo wi say wa emre e wo say ekwa boa ni ka boa no untimi mo ano. E dien pa na bibini atima yama broni a benefit also. Bibini e dien pa na bibini ka se we die me na me ye ya broni benefit. O black man o e dien pa na black man ka se me de my we eti broni enjoy. Enyo na ye TV. Enyo na ye internet. Enyo na ye satellite. Enyo na ye plane. Enyo na ye we. Enyo na ye bibia. Enyo na ye bibia. Bibini kwa na waye unya hwi bibini unya hu obuka say aduane una wudua ba na wo ma ne bo nyo na ye nyo na manufacture aduane unya hwi bibini sit down and say e den pa na me ma ya obroni betima benefit free hu gold na bo be say nya wo dia gold nyame na de to no ye hu nyansa na mo be fa ko nya wo dia. Yes, Dubai, and my friend back of was in Dubai for the past 2 years on no call in soon to that. And not going so toy. Ye ma be free no. When ya ji oko. Unyon kwat me visa free to Dubai when ya ji oko untime ma habo free. Ah bibi ni. Ne wan si di bayira. Oboa. E de bia me ka se ho na obehu ji mi no. Unim. Dubai, where desert. Desert, I mean, I say, call and Jimmy, the Americans, yes, see. And where desert, where the Dubai in the Kurum, 2 years near Madame for the Coho, in soon told that. In soon told that. Omutimi Yashi, Omutimi Diakubi, whatever they are doing, artificial, normal manufacture. And Omuma is a friend, you are happy, Oko, but don't me mahabo free. Only Krum can say, or say, have visa free, brand, maybe the habo free na man for containers embra enfa containers embra se bita fa mbeti ma hwem se de bia ma bola goose ne ma me mu ne ma papa ije new mu ma ne mbra e free cars na mo de ba ma ne mbra ne nyi sa se bita kaneshi ene seke cars na ewu no mu fa cars mo ma bi be free because abrochi e chese cars bo no enye ne bo ngade se Ghana eti cars ne bo afu wode se be enye de se be onipa e so onipa ya de o sa yi anya dia bibini de want free bi an honto bibini de india out Africa kra adasu usual free bi it won't free bi no tisu generate 20% momfa ne mamra he eno se obet nyansam no omo de nyama ba bosa manfo de cars ba cars jale mundashin ba ko isan se nyama na banti no obet ma dashi o obenya cars obenya goose adia bibini kura de sen isema mo benya ena bibini kwa bawiase be yeden ena bibini kwa hwe bibini bawiase nyankopon mu ni pa jimi afa because nyankopon no nim se ni pa betimi se bi agimi sen
It will say bibini but no person say be any page because bo abrofo wie no say obo abrofo no wie na guess munim nyansa dodo and no can say emiri be ko we event say emiri be ko we ya nimdie ntra so beba nimdie ntra so bibini ka ho den na wadima ya mana ntra so bibini nimdie ntra so say we ye ba wani abrese we ye ba and time is coming to go heaven no and nimdie ntra so be na watima ye and then watima ye yakopon ne mama enye say mutu ho mba be ye be gu social media be trekking ko na mutimi ye we nyi yakopon wa hu ne hi mu hu ne hi eti ye kan nimdie ntra so a obroni na nimdie ntra so bibini nka ho eno mo ya e wie mre ne be yakopon de o kan e bia o kan Nankopon say ebene be kwa we ya nimdie ntra so be ba ne ye TV and they say be mobile phone o kasa no be ti ha say ti o nimdie o ka ho nimdie ntra so ka ho ade obubini nya na ye di nyame ka say we emene be kwa we ya enkwala asodin fo eba ene ne timi fa e bone no na bibini timi fa e bone no mu na bibini timi fa e ene obroni ehwe moon o hwehwe sam event saying space or space, I say space, you know, baby, say you beat Masatana, and they are going to the moon, they are going to the yes, even but now they have seen so many planets. And so my confidence say 9. I feel almost there be say Pluto in Kahun, in Tabana 8. Now so obi exams, I can say Pluto a planet 9 and Kamutin because we are not creating, but we are learning from people. It's in the Bunibekan F and the Bunise 9, you say 9, Bunise 8, you say Bunise A Bibrizio Becading. He says, "I was no better than sometimes will be near saying, "Many, ye papa, apostle could use a fool. Egas who ye be near time as the Chinese in the banner or the excavator, 2 media. Hey, I will be a good issue. Hey, baby, hey, say Ghana for be so Jimmy. People call me Jesus pocket, but some say comedy. Pocket me, my Jimmy Pump, say me Jimmy. And you be or man Jimmy, I say no be. I say, is I say, Jimmy, I'll call him to Obia so Jimmy now. Bankers are calling to be a Jimmy for as of for my Jimmy on Bajan feature room. Aye, is a Ghana be Jimmy's. Obia Jimmy's house as is. Because nothing is be because of Ghana. Because say Ghana won't. And I said, "Oh, me, yeah, person make us say, baby, because me mean too, brother. Seriously, me mean travel border. Me border metra, bubuashi to Medina border be an down and try. Nungwa border na me try. Me try border be ada. Me your freeze your woman. Krumu hana mete. It mean who no she. It whatever I say no, I say from my beginning because me who been makasi na me too. Kwa buchina me ko hunsa ne hotia. Ene me hunsa mpa. Bibini na de nyango poje nya ya ejimie bibini jimie o ene nya sabi we have people obi about to kwan bi enim nyansa because of course hey sabi bia na mete no Madam Collins was say you will never know what you are losing until say you get it and I go hey what you question say one champion Ube do come out. Hey, send baby, I'm saying me. But fed on the gangaria. Oh, that's how life is. Me, I'm not here to bash me. Me bash will be away. Or do money I would in my family because I'm not going to judge why I didn't create. You're not born. Yami or born or this. I memory. Jimmy memory. Show it to my family. But what I'm telling you is, say, be a machine. Se study say Jimmy se virus o china ye format so enti format wa dwene no se be se wa dwene da onyansa na asa wo mu a ko feeling stage na ko feeling nyansa gu adwene mu because so adwene to nyansa. There's a difference between brain and sense and knowledge is different from brain dey no ne konko no but so onyansa na asa wo mu a go and feel it na bibini chapter 5 we here so you people are living in a luxurious homes no enti na nyamo fe why don't you allow people to enjoy it? We have people now the me magana kura bi enne ope me magana kura bi metra buche ma bom me bra metra me ma buche ma bom me bra but they are the people and can they travel said they are going said on bit ma back no my bom my fan to papa fra but due to hardship was me say people call me poke me person bagana me say ma ka ho oba ba be wukwa Brony Chrome, but Brony Chrome, homeless Brony Chrome, Brony also a homeless. I know people are suffering there. I know a crew beer, said it, I say, men, crew beer, we know, but me say, so be homeless or Ghana, they homeless or Bruchil and a catcher. Obey homeless or Ghana, no, Kakoy homeless or Bruchili. At least who needs to be my professor here. If we are saying, because any training them with you, who bet my family or crab out now, just saying, yeah, Krama was I beg you so. We homeless were Kramas I beg you so, some punchy, I been in Yaguso. I would just say I'm punching a number, but this is before the time and temple. The last time one guy was Nana Jonas, and now we are check room, Shahasi, was sending a higher baller. Before the Bugo, black man and Bugo, dear. Black man, I'm more dorsal, and looking at away fin. Black man, I'm more area, and looking at away fin. Your nation, Jimmy Foreman, I make a son, Jim Gunner in a minute, Jimmy. Ghana nyina me na magimi se o so pompo me na magimi me matuma me judge me akodi den me judge me akodi but I'm telling you the truth just listen me time as obi to what we need tantan me pe baby Yakopon team dot in a hon na no tie na nyefe that's why me nima see baby your team magi de modie no ya na ho e kama intermediate so ka say me hu nyefe ene me nim tantan baby me not tie no ene deceive me baby nyamete dot in the bomb no e won deceive him that's why. And yes, in fact, you know, the board, I friends and my jid now, me. It is a menu channel. I am a family, I'm no menu. That's where I'm from. But remember, when you want me, sequence thing and 2 years grandfather. God bless you people. Someone wasting time now, no pay some more opinions. Teacher Kojo is saying the truth. Yes, I say, only be the boy was like 1 or 2. You are calling teacher Kojo to and why you say and why you say papa no kind of one fa say the fact that you touch na oka on what does any Kenyan say my yam show ye twin so be from near fan there asem but I'm family said I was born alone even my brothers I mean no free man back kwampo ya woman who are different me nyanta for ya woman who are different I came alone I came with nothing so I shall live with nothing but my baby I say the later days na me war as you so no men can say because we be no ultra 200 years was as in the later days was as we just need see be because we be no can have me say me say mon can have him if you are dead you are gone and who here because I been papa and I saw for ngena say bit afake church members so nye obi enye papa was as so unu ye kan okore no kakra obedinti no ye no. As one has any Mr. Sabbath Frache, maybe I would sing it, like a crowd be dinty. The Muhammad, they feel Muhammad, one baby, say what by Muhammad, do or die. Muhammad put him on. Have me the good for be flicky. Well, we could go for us. Hi, Taliban, Chilo, my choma, going what goes. Yeah, what by you? What give me? I'm gonna need me. I tell me the MPP, I would die for this MPP, man. Tell anybody who go try, say he go fool for the MPP and Charlie, the way I go smart in I got Jimmy. I tell you, I was born for MBC. I was born in MBC, I'm not good. I got a bad, yeah. But all the same, Charlie, I know some are going here there. I know some are going here there. And some are going here there. Actually, they make a want to say. From beginning of we are say able beginning and contributive human. From the beginning of this, as I say, beginning contributive yami uncontributive, and there is no way or beginning can contribute something to God. Beginning to me the bit member and this is because chairman and Macoma dear what chairman is all. Or beginning. So, but over quite mountains. I'm not come deal with horse when you're papa. Now go point at your mountain or castle. God doesn't talk at your mountains. God can speak to you anywhere you are. So, why you don't know who answer? I mean, because you go pony answer for a casa on need Jimmy from Casa. It can only Jimmy. God speaks with the wise. God doesn't speak with the foolish people. It's the one thing I go pony and say, why being your Juma? So one thing I go pon here, say why because God na go pon for event saying to tura some na bibi. Then I first said that for my school days in the same school dying and VH what is saying. School dying, school building is in the same. What for Sago was he read some comment why? Me part of me ready. Senior male, I was GH, but GH Pocky. Bibini in abroad will go to heaven. I'm on like Yebefe. I'm more abroad in the Yebefe because I think that those people are very, very wide and always they are working. And Bibini or heaven or like Charlie. And go community mean Kunya Bungalow. You will never stay at Banya. Bibini or Abruchon or Beko heaven crown, uncle stay or Bungalow. Obey not and fancy nature because still Mujani be winning. Obena is over a friend and crow for Ghana Domako. Go deeper, bro. Sometimes, Charlie, Moya dear man too much. And then if Ghana has it. Look at the money that every day, every time you are mentioning. Because they are say, and they made a billion Ghana city, and they made a billion Ghana city, and they made a million and 500 see come on for sectors Nina. And easy. But what winning? God will strike there. God, anybody who have offended this nation, God will strike me. Now go on find out that. Now go on I'm catching up. Media mom on politics because this politics and the religion and don't call it kumkum free as it is so. This politics and things no and many paying attention is all kind of and pay for when your problem a Christo when your problem a politics when your problem a party when your problem and the only thing say keep quiet and leave. Just keep quiet and leave. Maybe I could say it. But Yanko posted the make a wing thing for. And from the bomb pie fat, Yanko Ponka was soon you will die. And from the home by fingers, you will die. It's a real free one. I'm telling you today, you will die. The people I Yanko Pombo don't matter season, they are no more, they are dead and gone. So one day you will die and you go. One day you will be called ancestor. One day you be from one day you will be called an ancestor. It is today that you have been a living being. Ye papa biwa kumam enya bro. Ye kind of question as a ure free. Ye kind of question when we tea and penny for can say service unni futuni. Ah obi tu fua. One nam na so to so bi tu ne mafua. Choki ne ko tiebi. E bia ne bed e be for wasum. E bia ne bed e be for wasum. Teacher, whatever you are doing, God will reward you. Let them chop. Let them chop. Little can be a one friend of Brahman who jab bro, be what diabetes ne kuno, stroke ne kuno. Because of his stroke and kumi any. But those people, when come sick and can say stroke and diabetes ne kuno. But a bro, when people being scared, one year papa, how many near, I mean a kuno, new weight and time. And all the money that you have gotten, you look like we lose anyway. Because you try your person go by yourself or somewhere there, you will die and you go. If we are sick of craving and go for some medi, if we are sick to be able to say, is it going to be 70 years, 70 years, 70 70 years ago, and I'm 70 and a medi, and I'm 70 and a medi, not 70 and a medi. You be 70 years. Yeah, that's it. Cody. Cody 70. On my getting Ghana, we would go to America. You can go to Ghana, they go to America. Kamusi say a drop of water. Kitty, but we can't like kitty by you scapa. Ghanaians have money. Ghanaians have money, but you're gonna enjoy. We thank you, people. Enjoy. 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 And now say I'm about to get book Charlie mine. He said you must was to be ba I say Bakumi no bana Bakubia bana you must say one S bet room na Bakumi no bana when you say one S bet when you are promoting gambling. Oh I'm not promoting no. I'm advertising me advertising because I know the moment sakomano. The be because be say na na mo ni na ho no wagi me dodo. It the people who follows me they are the real fan of GH Poki no say me because of sponsorship, because Ghana has said me if no sponsorship one is better no sponsor me at GH Poki can be good to fuck because show ben and makobo I pay I get nothing. I create jokes for people to enjoy. They don't care where I got the money to pay the crew, the prepaid. No, what they know is they enjoy. But the real fan of GH Poki knows, no, this guy needs to be supported. So if you see my video, about 1xBet, please watch it for me. Watch it well. Shema me now mutimi mame more. But no na mo na mo den na mo na ho no mo adwuma den ada ho. Na mo na ho wagi me dodo. When I said that fact wo free fie ebie mu ba no I say ordinary ko na eje wo no. No. I'm not promoting it. I'm advertising it. Nigerians are doing it. Nigerians commit the different light to God because me why he was small for me. Yango for Israel was Obibini Bonnie Benamaye 0241 same thing. So, like, when I call me, I was saying, me catty. Friend say, okay. So me catty, but me catty. I'm just going. What is saying? Me why? Me banana my rap. Me say me rap. Me pay corner pa. Now they make me rap. To me part me why? 024. Okay. Excuse me. With the numbers you go by Tiako. Numbers here. Me branch and my name 194. We should am quite anxious in one. Oh, it's Charlie. Okay, Echo. Hello. Yes. Wapon. At me live video na me cut no why me ba is here. Yo. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. What I was saying is me be said people are from the frame. It's a mechanism say 1xBet a sponsorship. It's not easy making it in Ghana. I do this, I do that. Obi me shall me show videos on from credit money. From credit money. Although I know that the person is joking, but unjoki, unjoki. You are watching my video and no say credit from him. No you credit cigar. Oh, so if 1xBet is sponsoring me, say me more, me more. It'll be like, was it even FDA promotes alcohol and cigarettes? Nana mo woni na ho so no wagi me do pacho eya mo hwe video ma mo kase we dia 1xBet mo hwe video no ma ne nkwana go funu no this guy is doing more advert no omo ma me more and I must me bodam say ha boni am nyini fini dia enya 1xBet na be promote nyango po se woni na ma me nka comment na na me nko ati me ka comment for 2 minutes na me ko we Philip Adoma can say jealousy will kill black man. They are even jealous about this your small Jimmy. Ow. But GH Poki fans, Charlie, Pokitarians, we are very good. I love you people. We say okay, Adoma will say Ghana have the most pastors in the whole world. But look at what they are doing, the most useless. And welcome. We are Lawrence Dompre. I say my main man Poki. Lawrence, Nyankopon Shawati, Nyankopon Shaw, where Yawasidu, or see you said it all, Poki, Nyankopon Shram, where ye Castro TV, or say, I win Quanta, African not traveling in heaven. I tell you, we know, where Godwin Baba,
say our leaders are not thinking of the leaders, what I'm saying, my family whole time. Where TCJ was say, but those in abroad are also foolish like those here. Aren't they organizing the more against fake the country? Ayasemu, Obiaso ya also utu kwanya and ko bebia before. Utu kwanya and ko bebia before because bebia Ghana ni one omo ye ba. Ghana. My friend. Okay. Stephen Akos' food sermon actually. Where we didn't was say Daiwo Sakon. Oh, shall we the meeting more? Was it loving your show, man? God bless you. So we say man morning show every morning. Man morning show. My team studio. Man morning show. But me pacho muntie me. We dem me pon. Moi. Me ye video live sin ago no maba. Poki, please, I need your Momo line. Poki, I need your Momo line. Poki, I feel you. Please send me your number. Make I give you something. Na me dey need je. E ko be se 1 year nie. Ma ko send me number man. O me hwempo. Eno wasende. Ade. Kitwe bi anso. Ghana ha me nya award da. Ba makon plaque bi wo ayi mu. Ne boarding. I'm say 10 million. And I'm here much trust here. Bet me patrol. Say me kwa award we am my voting am go sell credit in patrol. Me one number no me bobo. Obi an send 50 o send 50 pesos. What am send am vankoto why? Vankoto 10 million. Why? Where the youth are now wise. We won't let these politicians use us again during election. Now I'm about to campaign against no voting 2024. Me das nyakopon shawate. Where nani ex asante or say heaven GES heaven. Obibini. We dem hu kura sere de. Charlie, comment. One kasa wu hu to say comment na ba. But when bibi. Some people are surprised say I don't have much followers as people, but I have the most comments section. Me na more comment pa. And unim, I'm telling you people this thing this morning. And the more who me saying a man for some phone to turn. Yeah, because of you. And I mean because of you the YouTube subscribers and subscriber me. Facebook followers and follow me. People who enjoy my video and share my video and comment my video. More than mama said them phone and I say. Yes, cabin a menu. Nije and I rehobia mo ye free me so. Mo come home, mo to me full. A man for frame could come in Mekasa, a woman come over me say, Unyankopon in Shiram. Papa na obo no ma da akoma passive time a chinem when fan time no. Unya sa papa no in Shiram. Onyi won free adum bi se on fa nko adum na adum do komu no enya adum e buru adum na adum bi aso. Ade amaye na so mani. I was from nowhere but a nay o ma mesre. Medama say. Enya me kwa mama sire o, mama mabusuafo nyina sere. Ene mo man ya na ye friend say omu ni bie no, ene mo mani jaba yakuma impo ye ni bi. But ani jaba yakuma because ye ni say ye wade bi wa wo sha ase a ya na ewie papa mu. Medama say wunni me, but I love you. I love everybody who support DH Poki. Me on subscribe ye, e channel na kokko subscribe ma me. On follow me Facebook a me patcho follow me. IG GH Poki comedy na kokko follow me. Yakopon nhira wo, onye okese on say oh baby a go bia on mo ho ba na onyi mfra tamfo hihye yi nyina mu. Wunni ani ne se wo hu a fidie na yesu mu sunsun mu ampa de a Yakopon anyi mfiri mu on guide on bon ho ba because on ne bo na me mpese ewurade ebe allow ama otamfo nya bonsam edina ye. And I said, do I hand mama na see? So I say, you are there to support and bring happiness to me. Yakopon okese. Momo yense adwene. Momo yense adwene. Now God bless our homeland Ghana. God bless our homeland Ghana. Because bro from entiat you need your mind sir. And say they be able to yen araya sasini yen araya how do we say the national anthem yen God bless our homeland Ghana. And make our nation great and strong. And make our nation great and strong. We are going to make our nation great and strong. Now we say and make our yes, yeah, that's in Yakopon my including Yakama. 10 years.
God bless our homeland Ghana and make our God bless our homeland Ghana and make our nation great and strong. Oh, Nyankopon, am I yen nation any great and strong? You, but utie no say yenara ya sasini eya board in din mayen moja na nanum hwiegu nyade to ho mayen adrume ne won so say ye be ye bi atwa so nimdi entra so konton krane nia pese minkuminya adu yembrem ama ya sase so ato se oman say be you oman serinye you enye say ya no say oman fo bra na kire me say so oman seribe you oman serinye you enye say ya na say you oman fo bra na kire utie mu a we ni say ye dia it we know what we are saying. It would team and another movie no more say yen ara ya sasini it wouldn't say yen assassin na a boarding team I need boarding am I so you say oh man boarding you do good but then yet God bless our homeland Ghana hey now America hey God bless what now go hey my friend ni pese men kuminya unse yesu an kola bim tan ya na ye kan sa ni ya pese men kuminya ha ba unse yesu an kola bim tan na ha but utwem ye utu say again ni pese men kuminya inse utie a ye nara ya sasini eya bodin de mai moja na no yegu nyane to ho mai moja na mu hwegu wona mu nya ra se bi de to ho mai ko ne di bro ni nchem edrumi ni won so me ba ah oi watch it Johnson bay me fa zongo andi mu no oi ai me fa zongo me fa mo me pie ho Mate yo anti muni wachi baby omudi so edi ba macho God bless our homeland Ghana and make our nation great and strong my ye na ara assassin beti media to me pen so ye pe onyankopon nhire mu nyina se munya akọ papa hwe GH Poki. I love you people as you love me. Chale mo subscribe mo subscribe onyankopon nhire mu wo a won team kokko subscribe go Mesa ko premier ho because I could premier ho pin the number me pato matin be pin ko ansa na mako why the pato my number is 0243915141 0243915141 0243915141 0243915141 pato mon send me sika because I'm doing my best to make you people happy. Mon send me sika baby I don't the answer number 0243915141 Obibini. Mama bye.